At the micropylar end is the egg apparatus consists of two synergid and a egg cell. At the chalazal end are the three antipodals. At the center cell is a large central cell with two pollen nuclei. Pollination is the mechanism to transfer pollen grain from the anther to stigma. Pollinating agents are either abiotic wind and water and biotic animals. Pist- Pollen pistil reaction involves all events from the landing of pollen grains to the stigma until the pollen tube enters the embryo sac. When the pollen is compatible or pollen inhibition, where the when the pollen is incompatible. Following incompatible pollination, pollen grain germinate on the stigma and the resulting pollen tube grows. Though though the style enter the ovule and finally discharge two male gamete in one of the synergids. Angiosperm exhibit the double fertilization because two fusion events occur in each embryo sac, namely syngamy and triple fusion. The product of these fusion are the diploid zygote and the triploid primary endosperm nucleus. The primary endosperm cell zygote develops into the embryo, and the primary endosperm cells form the endosperm tissue. Formation of the endosperm always precedes development of the embryo. The developing embryo, the developing embryo, the developing the developing embryo passes through different stages such as the proembryo, globular, and the heart-shaped stage before maturation. Mature dicotyledon embryo has two cotyledon and one embryonal axis with epicotyle and hypocotyle. Embryos of monocotyledon have a single cotyledon. After fertilization, ovary develop into fruit and ovule develop into seed. A phenomenon called epimixis is found in some angiosperm, particularly in grasses. The result in formation of seed without fertilization. Apomictics have several advantages horticulture and agriculture. Some angiosperm proceed more than one